Did you guys know the Huawei MatePad paper was announced a year ago? Yes, this unit actually came out 11 months before right now. It does not feel like that. It feels like this unit just came out. If you don't know what the Huawei MatePad paper is, check the video card up above. But what is this then? This is the Collector's Edition. To commemorate pretty much a 1-year anniversary, Huawei has released the MatePad paper Collector's Edition, and I have no idea what's inside. This is a very big box. It's a very thick box, and it looks like it opens up kind of like a treasure chest. Look at that. Beautiful. Now, what I do know about this is that it does not come in the 4GB RAM variant. This one is exclusive with the 6GB setup, and it comes with a leather case. So I don't know what all goes into this, because that's all they told us when they sent us this unit. Hey, the pen is white, because the M pen for the MatePad paper was silver. Oh, cool, this one is a different pen. It said, oh, we have a stylus, and I'm like, oh, absolutely. I mean, I know you guys have a stylus, but they neglected to tell us it is a white stylus. So let's see what this is all about right here. It comes in a very tightly wrapped situation here. I assume this will be the exact same tips and setup as the regular pen, because yes, it does look like that is the same layout, but everything is a little bit different. It is no longer two-tone silver / gunmetal. This is a white pen, and it looks almost like an HB number 2 in the way it is kind of contoured here. It's very nice pen. So what is all in here? Why is this so much thicker than the previous box? I don't know why it would be that much more thick. There is a lot of depth to this box, everyone. We're going to be discovering this together. So this is an all-new leather case, apparently, and we take that out and we see what it's all about here. So it looks like you have installation tips, and there's a QR code that tells you how to install it. But really, it just says on the bottom here, please make sure the tablet is face up, and the charging port is towards the bottom. Therefore, nothing gets in the way when you put it in the case. We'll do that in the full review video, because we have to see how this is different. So we're going to look at this. You get your SIM card removal tool, or your SD card slot removal tool, and inside you get some light documentation, much like the last version that came out. This should be your charging port, I believe. Yes, it is. So it is in white, and it's just regular USB to North American, Canada, America, and Japanese standard 2-prong wall port. And we have this, which is, it looks like replacement tips and a USB cable. So let's see what we got here. Butterfingers aside today. Oh, the tips fell out. Well, that's fine, I guess. I mean, they're not broken. So they were not really secured. They're just in this kind of friction fit piece of cardboard, okay? Not even cardboard, actually. It's just standard cardstock. It's not, there's no actual levels of corrugation. And you have your USB cable. So the question is, after I pick up the pieces, literally, of the shattered confidence for the rest of this video, where'd the other one go? Oh, there's only 4. Okay, assume there would be 5. I guess they're counting the one on the tip. Why is this box so big? Everything is sealed in there, guys. Does this tray come out? It doesn't. Okay, it's just a box with a little strap here for the sake of being a gigantic box. So I'm not sure what the thought or process was when someone okayed a massive box, but it is what it is. I'm not sure if this is used or not. It was factory sealed, but it looks like someone put it in all kind of crunchy like that. But let's open it up all the same. Now, this one does have leather on the back, which the original one had as well. But out of the gates, I'm not sure if this is a different leather. It looks like we have an additional line here, and this looks like it has more sparkle in it. I'm not entirely sure right away, but that is what we are faced with. Now, when we did the review, we had the 4GB variant. This one is the 6GB variant, so it's the maximum possible speed of the Huawei, and we are going to get into the full review coming up, and we will see how different it is, how the pen works, how the pen looks, and just show you a little bit of an updated look, because this thing is 11 months old, which is still baffling my mind because I remember just doing some comparisons recently against the Scribe and everything on this guy. Stay tuned for the full review. For now, this is everything that comes in the box with the HUAWEI MatePad Paper Collector's Edition 2023, everyone. Everyone, thanks for watching. Have a great day.